Hey y'all, it's me, Kalila, and today's purpose of this video is I'm here to tell you guys why I retwisted my hair going from Interlocks to Retwist. So let's get into it. Before I even tell you why I retwisted, let me tell you why I'm ready to take out my locks. Okay? So I have maybe 3 good reasons, maybe 4, of why I'm ready to take these out. Reason 1, the maturing. You guys, I am 1 year locked, and since I've been locked, but let me tell you this, I started them with 2-strand twists. For those who don't know, I've had so many twists unravel since I locked, still to this day. So I have had to retwist, I have put braids in it, I have interlocked some ends, I have started coiling some ends because I just have so many twists that unravel. Granted, yes, my hair is maturing, but I'm a year in. How long am I going to have to keep retwisting them? How long are they going to keep coming out? So, and I know different hair textures, you know, things are going to be different. So if your hair is kinky, coily, it's going to lock faster. You know, curly hair and straight hair is going to take a little bit longer. My hair ain't straight. My hair is definitely kinky. I'm definitely a 4C. Okay? I might even give it a 4B, but I don't know. Y'all do all that 4B, 4. I'm definitely a 4. Okay? So that's one of the reasons. Okay? And with the retwisting and coiling the ends or anything like that, it's like, do I still have to braid and bundle when I shampoo? I'm a year in. I don't want to be braiding and bundling. I'm done with that. I don't know if y'all even seen my last Instagram story. It said no braid, no bundle, don't care. I washed my hair. And the reason why I did that is because I feel like, this is another reason. I feel like I have not gotten a good shampoo since I've locked. My hair to me just feels dirty. I don't like it. I'm still using the Suave clarifying shampoo, which helps mature your locks. The clarifying shampoo helps mature your locks. But yes, like I said, some is, but I just feel like I have not gotten a good shampoo. I cannot get in there and get a good shampoo. Even when I did it just last week without bundling or anything, to me, I'm not getting a good shampoo. I don't know. It's just, it feels dirty. I'm sweating. It's hot as heck outside. I also work out. I cut my own grass. I've been riding my bike, so I've been having my motorcycle helmet on. And it's just, my hair, to me, it just feels dirty. I'm not liking that. Okay? So reason 3. Back when I was probably about 4 months, reason 3 was another reason I was actually about ready to take my locks out. I ended up not doing it, but when I was about 4 months, reason 3 is why. So around that time, I was only like 4 months, and I had already, my first and second month of being locked, I had separated some of my locks and combined some of my locks because I felt like some were too big and I felt like some were too small. So that started to irritate me because I don't like the sizes. I didn't like the sizes because I feel like now I have some big ones, some real skinny ones, and with them being Microlocs, it's not like you can tell a whole lot, but I can. So it's like to the eye of the beholder. Like I know that I have some small ones and some bigger ones. And then also with that, when I was combining or separating, that messed up more of my partings. Now, it's not like I have checkerboard partings or anything like that. I have brick lay, but it still, like some of my main partings that I wanted in there are not there anymore. So like for instance, my part that goes from ear to ear is no longer a straight part because some are now combined or whatever. So that's reason 3. Reason 4. If you've been along through my journey, you know around 8 or 9 months, I faux locked my locks. I faux locked on top of my locks, and I got damage from that. So that's another reason why, because now I still feel like I have those thin ones, and granted, you know, they healing, you know, they healing from they hurt and pain. They healing, they getting better. But yeah, it just hurts me to see it. So like even in my 1 year video, when I was doing my kind of like my 360 and I lift up, I seen a braid and it just looks so thin. At the top, the bottom half is still good, but the top part where it's thin, you can see it. If you go back to my 1 year video, you can see, look at my picture, just the frame of it. You will see that real thin one I'm talking about. And I don't know actually what side that's even on, because when I record, you know, sometimes it flips, but the damage, I'm not feeling it. So that's reason 4. That's enough reasons for me. And it's like, when I tried, actually when I was 4 months, I knew for sure I was taking these out. But I ended up trying to take one out, and it was just too much time. And I was like, forget it. I said, I'll deal with it. But from 4 months to a year, there are other things that has happened. And it's like, you know, it's just going to annoy me. I'm never going to stop thinking about like, oh, these are not the same size. Oh, these are damaged. Oh, these keep freaking unraveling. So the unraveling was another kind of thing when I was around 4 months, but I had hopes for that, because I'm like, I'm just 4 months. By a year, I should be good. I probably won't have to keep you know, keep fixing twists and stuff. So, but nope, I'm still fixing them. How long am I gonna be fixing them? Now I can take a couple of days and go through all these locks that are twisted and coil the ends. I could, but then I'm still gonna have the issue of the different sizes. I'm still gonna have the issue of the partings. I'm still gonna have the issue of where it's damaged. So that's why I'm pretty much ready to take these out. I'm pretty much ready to take these out. So that leads me to why I retwisted. I retwisted because I wasn't about to sit here and do a retie for a day or a day and a half, because I would have been fixing other locks too. So I wasn't about to retie, and I know I'm ready to take them out. So I always have high hopes though. Like when I retwist and retie, you fall back in love. You're like, oh, it looks so good. So that's kind of honestly where I am, because since I retwisted, you know, you're like, ooh, it looks so good, blah, blah, blah. Do I still want to take them out? That's what happened in my 1 year when I retwisted. I'm like, oh, these look good. Like, I ain't ready to take them out. And they get into that length. I'm loving the length that they are at. I'm ready to actually start styling. My full year, I really didn't do nothing but 2 ponytails, my little afro, part in the middle. That's pretty much it. That's all I did. Now it's getting to a length where I am ready to start styling a little bit. And I don't know, but honestly, you guys, I don't know. I had it all planned. Like, I'm like, so my 1 year is July 28th. My birthday is August the 14th. So I'm like, I'm just gonna retwist it, wear my retwist, and after my birthday, I'm taking these out. But when, like I said, when you retwist or retie, you start feeling good about them again. But I had a whole plan. Like, I'm gonna take these out. I probably wear my hair for a year. I don't know, because the part for me, originally I'm like, I'm gonna take them down, I'm gonna do it over, right? But the problem with that was, if I take them down and do it over, how am I going to do it over? Because if I have 2-strand twists, clearly they come out. I don't like the braid look. I don't like the interlock look. So I would have had to restart them with coils. And okay, if I'm gonna do coils, am I really about to do Microlocs? Am I about to do a bunch of coils, starting locks for Microlocs with coils? Yeah, I don't know. So then I'm like, well, maybe I'll just do them bigger. So that was the problem with that. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna just take them out and start locks again, because I don't know how to start them. I do feel like the reason why mine keep unraveling is because my hair was processed. So it was silver blonde, you know, for years before I did this. And it's processed. And I think that's why mine is not, you know, because it's not healthy hair. So it's not doing what it should do because it's not healthy hair. But I don't know. So I don't know. That's why I retwisted, y'all. I retwisted. Now, if I do decide to keep these, now I have to figure out, am I going to stick to retwist? Am I going to keep interlocking? Oh, another reason. I forgot all about this. Another reason why I was ready to take them out was because I have holes in my interlocks. So I have holes in different area codes. Holes. Different Microlocs have holes. But of course I'm not gonna find them while I'm trying to show y'all. But I do have some holes in mine, and that's gonna irritate me too. Oh, y'all. I don't know. It's like I've come so far. At the same time, I come so far. So it's like, dang, do I really want to start over? But I know if I don't start over, I'm just going to still have these same issues I'm going to think about all the time with the holes, with the retwisting, recoiling all the time, the damage, which I could probably come back from the damage. But I don't know how long any of that would take. I don't know how long any of this, and you know, the ones that keep unraveling, how long is that going to take to mature? The ones with the holes, is that ever going to fill in? Like, how is that going to fill in? Do I need to add some lock weave to it? Like, help me. Y'all. So I don't know. So that is why I retwisted. I don't know. Stay tuned, I guess. Stay tuned, because I really don't know if I'm going to take them out or not. But I know that's why I'm ready to take them out. I am definitely ready to take them out. Am I going to retie? Am I going to retwist? I don't know, y'all. Somebody help me. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave in the comments if you having these same issues, if you feeling the same way. Let me know if you even restarted your locks and why you restarted, because I know a lot of people have restarted them. Is it some of the same reasons why I'm thinking about restarting? Dang, man, I love these. Dang, it's like, dang, come on, do I just deal with it? I don't know. Y'all help me out. But until next time, y'all. Oh my God. Until next time, y'all. Bye.